So the next one is service configuration management, the next practice. So as IT asset management is around the actual stuff, configuration management is how it connects all together. So purpose is to ensure that accurate and reliable information about the configuration of services and CIs that support them is available when and where it's needed. This includes information on how CIs are configured and the relationships between them. So, different servers, how do they connect and fit together? What services do they help to provide and so on? This is where the CMDB becomes very, very important, right? Because from a service desk perspective, if we don't have access to how things are configured, then it actually slows us down in resolving incidents. From a problem management perspective, again, it's going to slow you down. From a design perspective, if we don't know what IT assets are being used and how they're being used, i.e. configured, then how can we make decisions about whether or not this new system or service that we want to bring on board, that it's going to be compatible with what we already have, or is it actually going to break things and so on? There's a lot hanging around service configuration management. So you know what a CI is now, any component that needs to be managed in order to deliver an IT service, but you have to, as an organization, you're going to have to decide what's an IT asset, and then which of those IT assets are actually now are configuration items. Okay, and you can go right down to the plug socket if it depends on your organization. All right, so the way I would look at it is that if it has to be managed because it's going to cause an impact to a service, then it's a CI. Anything else remains as an asset. Okay, and then again, all of your CIs will have attributes as well. So you have attributes, a piece of information about the configuration items, a name, location, version number, cost, that kind of thing. Back in the day, we used to have CIs labeled like Star Wars characters and stuff like that. So if Darth Vader went down, we knew all hell was about to break loose. But most organizations now have got the proper names and things on there. I wouldn't even know what they are anymore. Things have changed that much. So service configuration includes information on how your CIs are configured and the relationships between them. CIs are held for hardware, software, networks, buildings, people, suppliers, documentation, and even services as well. And configuration management helps your organization to understand how many CIs of a service actually connect and work together. Because again, that's going to help the service desk when it's trying to get to the bottom of something, not to the bottom, when it's trying to resolve an incident. It will help problem management when it's trying to get to the bottom of something. It's going to help with the design element. It's going to help with the obtain. It's going to help with everything that we're actually doing.